Here's how to rename a device on your Apple ID account. Now, if you have your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, let's first just head into the Settings app. From here, tap on your name at the very top. You'll be able to see this is my Apple account, and if you scroll down, you might have a bunch of devices associated with your Apple ID account. Now, if you have a lot of devices, and let's say you have a bunch of old iPhones that just show up as iPhone, and it doesn't give you any more information, and you wanted to rename those so that you know what each individual device is, you can do that, but unfortunately, if you tap on it, for instance, my MacBook Pro here, if I tap on it, there's no option to be able to rename it to something different, not Trevor's MacBook. Now you can see a bunch of different other things and information, but I can't change that in here. Unfortunately, they make this rather difficult. It would be nice if you could just change it directly on your Apple ID account for the device names. But to be able to change it, it's a bit different on different devices. Now, on an iPhone, an iPad, or a Mac computer, you need that device with you to be able to change that name on that device. Now you can see, let me give you just a quick example here. If I scroll down, this iPhone 16 Pro is just named Trevor. To be able to update that name, I need to go back out of here to the basic settings and then scroll down and tap on General and then tap on About. You can see at the very top is the name, and again, that name is just set to Trevor. So to update that Apple ID name for that device, you need to go to that device and update the name for that device on that device. However, it's a bit different. Let's say if you have Apple AirPods and you wanted to rename that or any other accessory. You can see if I open this up now, just like that, you'll be able to see Trevor's AirPods Pro. I can exit out of here, and there is Trevor's AirPod Pro. I can tap on it, and there is the name. I can change it directly in here on my iPhone because, of course, there's no way to get into the settings of your AirPods within the AirPods. So I can update the name here. Keep in mind, after you go through these steps and update it, it might not actually show up as updated on here immediately. This is fairly frustrating, but there are some things that you can do to fix this. Essentially, what we're going to do is just either force restart your phone or just wait a little bit. I find force restarting it is a bit easier. So what we're going to do is press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off until you see your entire iPhone screen go black. And then after it goes black, keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear. So you'll be able to see there's the Apple logo. Just like that, I've force restarted my iPhone after updating those names, and then it should update across all of your devices in your Apple account.